Hello, my name's Anne. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you're new to us, please hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos coming up soon. Today I'm going to show this really cute elastic waterfall style. Keep watching to the end because I'm going to show you how you finish it off so you don't get any hair sliding down. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I've done is I've sprayed her hair with water. I'm going to do a side parting over here and I'm going to take a slice of hair going in a parallel line to this one here. So I've now got a good slice, like a rectangular piece of hair running all the way back along the back of her head. Just neaten that up at the back there. Okay, so now I've got my rectangular piece of hair. I'm just going to take the front section of that hair and remove it from the rest of it, like so. And I'm going to just section this piece out of the way. So with this piece that we've taken from the front, we're going to just pull that across and make that parting go further along the hairline. And then tie this hair together. If you've got any of these little baby bits here, try and just move them towards the back of the ponytail so they don't poke out. Can you see how you can just twist those to the back? With all of this remaining hair, I'm just going to clip it out of the way because I'm going to drop this hair down in a moment and I don't want it to get all tangled up. Okay, so it's out of the way. I can release this hair because this is the hair that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to spray some water just through this section and this little ponytail. I'm going to take a slice of hair from this top rectangular section. I'm going to smooth it through. I'm going to separate this little ponytail into two, like so. I'm going to pick this one up, drop this top section through it, pick up the bottom section and then combine these two together. So we've got this top section just going through this part here. And then we're going to tie these two pieces back together again. See how that piece just falls through? And then I'm going to repeat these steps all the way along the hair. So I'm going to separate this ponytail again. Drop this new piece into the middle. Join them together and drop it through. This is a really, really simple waterfall braid that you could do on yourself. But if you'd like a braided version, then my friend Beth has got one on her YouTube channel and I will give you the link to that if you click on that top right hand corner, and I'll put the description in the box below. So you can see how this is coming together now. We're getting these little drop pieces. Okay, so I'm going to continue now all the way along this rectangular piece of hair and then I'll slow it down just so I can show you how to finish it off at the end. Okay, so I'm all the way at the back now, but to stop this from dropping down, because it will just slide down, the gravity will pull it down because of the weight of the hair bubbles, I just need to anchor it to the back of her head now. With this last little piece of the rectangle now, I'm going to put that through this ponytail, like so. I'm going to clip all of those to the side. And now for my last little ponytail, I want to get a little piece of hair from here and combine it together. And this is going to act like my anchor. It will stop this little row of ponytails from falling down the hair. So I think this style is so cute. I think it's really lovely for summer. It's a nice way to have the hair down and still keep it off your face. So leave me a comment in the box below. How would you wear this? What would you do? Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.
Bye.